Python programming series. In today's lesson, we are diving into one of the most fundamental data structures in computer science, the binary search tree, or BST for short. We will start by exploring what a BST is and why it's so powerful for organizing and searching data. Then, we'll look at different ways to traverse these trees in order, pre-order and post-order traversals. Finally, we'll tackle three balancing a critical concept to ensure that our BST remain efficient. We will see how to maintain balance using techniques like ABI, trees and rotations. By the end of this lesson, you have solid understanding of how to implement and work with binary search trees in Python, making your data structures more efficient and robust. So if you are ready to level up your Python skills, so let's get started with our another lesson by the name of binary search trees, traversals and balancing. This is our another lesson too. So now from the next video, I'll give you an introduction about welcome to lesson 2 of binary search trees and traversals and balancing. Okay, I'll give you in the next video, I'll give you an introduction of that. So in today's video, this one video is of announcement, like I'm starting a binary search tree, traversal and balancing lesson 2. This one video is about announcement. So from the next video, I give you an introduction. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And now I meet you next class and next very amazing class, and please access my Python DSR playlist and bookmark it also. And please share if you liking my course, so please tell your family, friends and your neighbors like these courses are very helpful, and please share my videos from that. Okay, so now I meet you next class and next very amazing class for today. Goodbye.